Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 580 model. It's used, but it's great. It works great, looks great, and it does come with a brand new battery. So basically, I'll show you what I got here. So it does come in an original box here. Alrighty. There's a 580 model right there. It's just missing the top lid cover, but it's okay. So the Roomba is great. So I'll start off here by showing you the wireless command center, which is in great shape. Alright, it does not include the batteries, so you just gotta get 4 AA batteries. I got 2 virtual walls that comes with it here, lighthouses. So that's one, and the other here. So 2 virtual wall lighthouses. The power supply right here. It's in great shape. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures, and if you have questions, please let me know. The docking station is in great shape right here. Also, it comes with another set of brushes. These are not brand new, but they're in excellent shape. Used brushes. So, get the bristler brush and a beater brush right here. Excellent shape. That's basically an extra set of brushes. And I got the battery strap, and you guys will have to pull it out of the Roomba when you guys receive it. It's just to protect the battery from exhaustion. Also comes with 2 brand new filters. Alright, so 2 brand new filters gonna come with it. And the Roomba itself right here. Alright. So here's the Roomba 580 model. It's in great shape and it works great. Everything has been tested and make sure everything works great, so you get nice working Roomba with a brand new battery. And like I said, for more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures. So, base plate is in excellent shape here. The bumper is in great shape also. Alright, flip it over here. Alright, so on their side we got the 6-legged brush here. Alright, looks great. The front wheel also works perfectly and no issues whatsoever. So basically on the bottom here, we got the clean hand module, the vacuum bin. Bin out. So that's the dustbin right there, where it collects all the big particles. And the vacuum bin is right here. And everything has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes, so you get nice clean Roomba. And there's a serial number in case anybody interested in. Alright, and the brushes right here. So the brushes have been cleaned out also. Everything has been, the clean head module has been cleaned out, the gears have been cleaned out and re-lubed, so you get long life out of this Roomba. Alrighty, and I'll show you that it works. So I'll just plug it in here. Put everything back. And there you have it. So like I said, everything has been tested and make sure everything works fine. The bumper sensors work fine too, everything works. And I'll show you by turning it on and the straight run. Alright, so happy bidding. Thanks for watching.